Hey guys, it's Kate with WTI, and who knew egg storage could be so pretty? So this is an egg storage carton from BINO, and I absolutely love it. It holds 21 eggs, so that is a lot. I usually buy my eggs by the dozen. So even if I have an overflow, I have enough space in here for my new carton and then for the old ones as well. So I really, really love that. It comes with a nice lid that just rests on top. So this not only just keeps everything in place, but it makes it so that this egg carton is stackable. So you're not wasting any space in your fridge. You can put something right on top. So that's really great. It's a really sturdy plastic, easy to wash if ever you had a spill on it. It's not something that's gonna break easily. And it just makes your fridge look so much more organized. I like that I can take it out of the fridge when I'm baking or cooking and leave it on the counter. It has all the eggs I need right there. I can leave the lid on it to protect the eggs if I want to. So it's just really convenient to be able to cart around the kitchen. So if you're ready to revamp your fridge, you wanna try something new, this is definitely something I recommend. It looks great, it's super functional of course, and I think you'll really like it. And that's my point of view.